I'm Catherine Lee, parenting expert.
And I'm Danielle from Cooked in Brooklyn.
And today, Danielle is going to show us how to properly defrost some frozen shrimp.
Which is pretty easy, but I still sometimes have to look at the bag. This is super quick. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes depending on the size of your shrimp.
Okay.
So you just gotta open this bag up. Now I'm using cooked shrimp today because I'm gonna make shrimp cocktail, but you can do this with raw, uncooked shrimp and then make marinade or broil it or however you'd like to do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and just put the frozen shrimp in the bowl and just do a drizzle of water. I'm gonna fill it up and the water will continue to run. I'm gonna fill this all the way to the top, bring it down, and just let the shrimp defrost in the water. Oops, okay, there we go. And we're just gonna keep that going. And these shrimp, they're a little small, so I would say about 3 minutes at the most.
Okay.
With constantly running cold water.
So why do we run the water constantly?
It just helps the shrimp defrost at a more even rate. And we're going to strain this with a colander to get all the extra water out. But it's important to have this keep going and moving it along. And do you mind passing me the colander so we can go ahead and drain the shrimp?
Okay.
And we're just going to drain this in the colander. This was about 3 minutes. All the water out. And then what we have after this is drained for another minute or so is a finished product of just shrimp cocktail, ready to eat. And we just put some cocktail sauce and some lemon on that, and it's ready to go.
Can we eat it right now?
Yep.
Okay. For more information, go to twobusymomsgourmet.com.